Okay, now let's see if I can get something. And this is Mo Mummy. Let's see what I can do. I put enough into it. Let's see if I can get something from it. Oh, come on, no dead spins. Come on, no dead spins. Come on, no dead spins. Come on, give me something. Come on. Come on, I got a triple. Let's see some no symbols and no spins. Where are you guys at? Come on. I haven't gotten most symbols yet. Most spimbles, most spins. Come on, do something here. Oh, come on. Diamonds, diamonds, spins. Come on, give me something that actually pays me.
Ooh, so shiny.
More shiny, more shiny. Come on, diamond, diamond, diamond. Finally got a spin. Okay, come on. More spins, more diamonds. Money in the thing. Come on. I need more spins. Come on, I need more spins. Get something in there. I'll take a 4-letter word called maxi. How about a maxi? Come on. Come on. Ouch.
More shiny gems.
Come on, you can do it. Or get some stuff inside the box. Come on, no dead spins. I need something in the box. Split it up here. Give me something. Oh, shit. Come on, I need gems and spins and stuff. Oh, come on, no dead spins. Come on, no dead spins. Give me something. Land me something in there. Diamond, diamond, diamond. Come on, we need a diamond up here. Diamonds. Oh, come on, please give me some diamonds. You haven't given me any. Oh, come on. Diamonds. Come on. Oh. Come on, diamond, 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 diamond. Oh, come on, Charlie, give me some diamonds. Give me a diamond, I need at least one. Come on, do something. Oh, come on, anything and anybody. Of course not, couldn't get anything.